Mandla Mandela's lawyers want the court order instructing him to return the remains of his grandfather's children to be rescinded.
Once the court finds that, applicant, I had ordered you to serve and to give notice, it now turns out that you failed to comply with my directive. Now this is being pertinently brought to my attention. Therefore, it was erroneous of you to seek that order without complying with my directive. And it was equally erroneous of me as the court to grant that order, because it says erroneously sought or erroneously granted. So in other words, this rule, in my respectful submission, gives a window chance to the court to correct an order that was sought erroneously and granted erroneously.
Mandla's challengers attended court for the first time on Tuesday. They listened attentively to their lawyers telling the court that Mandla's actions were legally indefensible and that he should be ordered to rectify them.
There is no answer to, for example, the fact that he dug up human remains in the dead of night, that he dug these human remains up without the permission of the local and provincial authorities, that these human remains were in the possession of the Qunu farm, which is co-owned by the applicants. Those averments are never challenged.
Mandla Mandela is now also facing charges of grave tampering. The ruling party is not pleased with the family creating a scandal over the exhumations, saying it's impairing the dignity of the global icon.
There is a limit to a certain extent on how things like this should be done. Madiba is still alive, he's still there. And this is about his kids, you know. And obviously, somehow people must be sensitive. And as African National Congress, of course, we still actually call upon the elders of that family, Tembus, Domos, to come together.
Judgment in the matter is expected early on Wednesday, well before the 3 o'clock deadline for the remains to be returned to Qunu if the court finds against Mandla Mandela. MNGAMBI, Eastern Cape High Court in Umtata.
News that moves. eNCA.com.